Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have Arm & Hammer Powerful Clean Naturally Fresh laundry detergent, and basically this is good for 170 loads, and this stuff is great. Anything that I wash, I make sure that I have baking soda, Arm & Hammer in there, because that will help neutralize any smells, especially like on hot musty towels that you're using down at the beach or outside by the pool. I mean, it's a great way to make sure that they are like super nice and clean. And anyway, pretty simple to use. Basically, just take that top off, and I love the fact that I can have this hover right over where my detergent goes in, and then you just push down on that, and then just let it go to your desired level, and then stop, and it basically is no drip. Put your towels in. And you can even do a super big load with your towels. And then we'll just hit start. And we're good to go. But anyway, great bottle design. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.